Core banking system, it requires several months of planning and brainstorming in discussion with multiple stakeholders within the bank, with the core banking platform provider, and if you are going ahead with a system implementation then partner, you need to involve the SI partner. So planning phase is even the appropriate time where you bring in the right consulting partner, and programs of this scale, it triggers the bank-wide transformation as the impact is larger on other systems within the bank. It may lead either in the upgrade or a replacement of multiple surround systems within the bank. Core banking related transformation initiatives, this should be led from the top. It should be led either by the CIO or by a chief transformation officer, which if you have in the bank. And as it has a bank-wide impact and requires involvement of a larger team from all departments, so the overall significance of such a program is too impactful on the overall bank. The life of a core banking system is usually 10 to 15 years, but these days it's even more. And so there is a need for involvement of a right consulting partner to guide bank on implementation of a core banking system. See, consulting partners not only add value by providing you the perspective what other banks are doing, but it also helps you to accelerate decision making during a core banking implementation program. Program governance and involvement of right team members is crucial as well. So I would say there are 5 key considerations in a core transformation journey, starting with the right product selection, the role of a implementation partner, the top management buy-in, change management organization wide, industry insights, or you can call it as a outside in perspective. So let's take each of them into more details. The first key consideration, which is the product selection, where the product needs to be aligned to the bank specific requirements and characteristics. So the one size, as we say, the one size does not fit all, and each bank is unique in the way it functions, in the way it serves its customers, its regional characteristics, and the product offering to the customers. Second key consideration I would say is the system implementation partner. The core banking system can be implemented either by a core banking solution provider or you bring in an SI. And the bank needs to be cognizant enough to select the right implementation partner, which has done something similar in the past, present in the region, understands the bank, understands the regulations better. The third consideration would be the top management involvement on a regular basis through multiple governance forums. What we have observed is that certain teams such as finance not being involved right from the beginning, and it leads to major requirement gaps during the implementation journey. Moving on to the change management. The system is just one aspect of a transformation. Other aspects such as process, SOPs, training, customer communication, these are other key aspects for such a massive rollout of a core banking. And finally, I would say the outside in perspective, where a right consulting partner helps bank to provide industry insights on each of these key considerations discussed.